So I hopped in a trade earlier. Today's Monday. This is post trade. The market's about to close. The market gapped up from Friday. So this is kind of like the structure that we seen from Friday. We seen like this right here, where it was kind of like pushing up, but it kept rejecting. We broke this high here and we pushed up, broke this high. And I thought like once we kind of like had this momentum from this candle and we opened up a new 15, we pushed up and I was thinking, hey, this new 15 is going to be super bullish. I was thinking we're going to push up and go crazy. Thursday, we capitalized on the puts here. I think we made 100% on the puts here. But Friday, we got smacked up because we didn't break this high here. And I thought we were going to break it. We didn't break this high. So I got in off of this, even though we were creating a lower high here, but I didn't expect this to kind of push back up here. But then when I realized we were pushing back up, I held the trade and I should have got out here, because I should have, once we broke this high here, I should have got out here. After that, I realized if we broke this high here and we continue to bullish structure, I need to get in for calls when I see fit, because we broke a high. Now that's exactly what I did with this trade, because it had that, I'm not going to say it had that similar lineup, because it really didn't. Like when we got in at 9 o'clock Friday, we had a previous high that we kind of wouldn't break. So that's what made me get in for the puts. But this one, we ended up breaking this high. So as soon as we broke it, or we were making like positive momentum towards breaking it, I got in on this candle right here, which was a 5-minute candle. It rejected the top. I stayed in, held it all the way through this motion to see if we were going to chase a new high, which we ended up chasing a new high. We ended up taking profit at the top. I believe it was 66% profit. Because it's the end of the year, from what it seems like, the volume is kind of light. Like there's not a lot of volume coming into the market. These like prices are not getting pushed up. Like, so with this type of volume, we're not like pushing out, you know what I'm saying? Like we're not pushing out of these areas that we should normally push out. We should at least be pushing out to test the 685.80 or 685.76 and see if we're going to reject and see if price will hold. But we don't even have enough volume to push out of the 685. So if we keep wicking in this area, I have to like think of an extra strategy if we're not going to push out of this area. So we pushed all the way up to 685.08, then we melted off of that. But since this is a brand new hour candle, we should have enough volume to push past that and see what happens. But patience, baby. We're just playing the patience game. We're not making any major lows that's making me think, hey, we need to get out of this trade. Hopefully this 15-minute closes decently strong, and you know, we could do something. Worst case scenario, this support right here is probably something that is going to make or break this trade. This support here, I was thinking maybe this area where we kind of like created a lot of buying pressure off of. I was thinking maybe this would be an area of support. We're kind of wicking in this area a little bit, so hopefully we hold this wick area so we don't even have to be bothered with the 684. But if we do break out of here, this is gonna be our area of like, all right, if we break this, then we kind of got to exit, especially if it's on the 15 and we lose all of this buying pressure and at no point we were able to like push the price back up. Yeah, it's not looking too good if that's what happens. So this move is looking pretty good. We got to hold this volume. That's a lot of volume that we was looking for. Contract is currently at break even. So we got to get to, I think, 685.50, or we just kind of got to hold and make some better structure. I changed my contract to 40%. So realistically, if we could get back up to 685.09 or even above this, if we can get close to 685.40, I know it looks far because we're on the 1 minute, but it's really not that far. But if we could get, you know, in this area, break this high, like continue this movement to the upside, then we'll, instead of making 100%, we'll make 40, just because there's not like crazy volume that's pushing the price in one direction. It's no reason to try to like make a full 100 when you can get 20 to 40, and we'll adjust if we have to. Contract is up 11%. We pushed to the 685.50, and I think that would be enough. Seems like we got to get past. We got to hold though. We're looking good. This hour looking like the hour's looking pretty good. We got to hold though. But we're up 33% right now. So one more push, and I believe we would be at take profit because this contract is moving so rapidly. But it's all about the structure. It's all about holding above this 685 and keep pushing. I think one more push, and we'd be at our 40%. That should do it. Contract is up 44%, and this should close us out. Contract is up 55%. We're basically at sell price, so we need a small push. We're basically at sell price at 55%. My math was a little off. Then we just need one more small push. Oh, there it is, 66%, and we should fill here. We did get filled at 66% profit. There actually was enough volume to push up the price to where I needed it to go. That candle was massive. That was a massive 5. But yeah, so sticking to the rules, bro. Sticking to the rules definitely paid off.